Hey guys, this is your guy Nerdy G back here with another how-to video on 11 Labs. So last time we was here, we talked about text to speech. Listen, be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want me to continue to create content like this. So in this video, what we're going to focus on is the voice changer. Also, too, please, to help us out with this channel and to help us to keep moving forward and doing like this straight up um, for us to do straight up reviews on how to use these things and kind of show you how they work and what makes these platforms actually great. There's a link in the description. You click on that if you decide to go with 11 Labs. Click on that link for me, and that will help you out a ton, a bit. Okay, so like I say, today we're talking about on this one we're going to be talking about the voice changer. Okay, so the voice changer is, hey, I got voices. I want to change my voice. I want to change voices. I have some audio. I think it's cool, but let's just say I don't want to text it. I don't want to text it all out, right? Because on a text to speech, it just basically means you're taking it and you know what I'm saying. You're gonna just do what you got to do, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna pull this over just a tad bit right there, so you guys can see what time and all of that good old stuff it is up there. But what I'll do is I'll kind of block that out because hey, why not? I'm that guy. I'll block that out because my face is supposed to be there. Neither here nor there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. Is this one? No, let me get a. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a 15-second video. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it up.
Y'all, we need to talk about something that's been gnawing at me lately. It's about our country, the good old US of A, and some weird vibes I'm picking up. Now, I've always been taught to take care of home first, but what if home ain't feeling so homey anymore?
All right. As you can see right there, it says 1.mp4. Okay, y'all heard that text? That's what that is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this out the way. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I want that to sound like Liam. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, come back down here, click right there. It's the video that you guys just seen. Okay. I'm gonna pop that in, and this is what you're gonna hear.
Y'all, we need to talk about something that's been gnawing at me lately. It's about our country, the good old US of A, and some weird vibes I'm picking up. Now, I've always been taught to take care of home first, but what if home ain't feeling so homey anymore?
There you go. I want this to sound like Liam. Better yet, let's change it. Let's change. Let's go to.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Let's go with Alice. Let's see what Alice sounds like. Okay. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click generate speech.
Y'all, we need to talk about something that's been gnawing at me lately. It's about our country, the good old US of A, and some weird vibes I'm picking up. Now, I've always been taught to take care of home first, but what if home ain't feeling so homey anymore?
Same thing. So there you go. Right. This is only available on two. Right. But let's just say I wanna switch this. Right. Multilingual. This is the multilingual version. Right. So what if I wanted this voice to be in a different language? How do I do that? Right. Come back over here and let's see. We're gonna search. So those are all, you know, you got your best voices for V3. You got your recently used. You got your default voices, instant voices, professional voices, right? And then they got top picks, right? So if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna go Spanish. Let's do Spanish. Everybody likes Spanish, right? So let's see.
Buenos días. Gracias por utilizar esta prueba de voz para tus propósitos. Espero que te guste y que guste a tu audiencia.
Just like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Jose. No, we want some. Yeah, we're gonna click on Jose. And we're gonna add them to my voices. So what we're gonna do is so always take the prompts. So whatever the prompts say, take the prompts. use them, go back and forth or whatnot, and see what it says, right? So now we have Jesus, Spanish narrative, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna regenerate that speech. All right, sorry about that. So basically, listen. So when it comes to when it comes to um, so when it comes to actually changing it or into a different language, what you have to do is you actually have to go into the dubbing, right? So this is basically what you'll do. So you'll come over here to dubbing, and you can translate content into 29 languages, right? Importing YouTube videos, learning about dubbing editor, all of that, right? So what we're gonna do is the voice changer was the voice changer. So basically, one voice, if you if you have something and you say, hey, I want to do it in a different voice, I don't like that voice, you bring it here, you do it quick, easy, simple. That's the way that you would do that. But if you wanted to take that and you say, okay, hey, I wanted that to be dubbed in something totally different, right? This is what you will do, right? So we're going to create a new dub, right? And we're just going to say, practice on this, right? And then we'll let it detect and then target languages. Let's go with some French. We Who doesn't love French, right? Everybody always say they love French, right? So you can upload your own. You can do YouTube. You can do manual. So we're gonna drag and drop here, right? I'm just gonna grab. Let's grab the what we started with, right? We guys. All right. So we know what that is, and then this is. It's gonna use my credits, which I told you I'm totally fine with, right? Uh, this will this will make your dub adjustable in our editor. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. Okay, so create this will make your dub adjustable in our editor. Reduce the character usage by 33%. This will add an 11 watermark to the video. Not trying to add any watermarks, anything like that. So what we'll do is we'll just do this and we'll just say create the dub. So we'll see how fast that goes. And this is beautiful. Like it says, localized content in 29 countries, right? So in 29 languages, I'm sorry. So this is just the dubbing piece. The processing, how long it's gonna take. We'll sit here in real time and watch this. It's dang, okay, that was fast. Transcribing, translating, and we'll have our video. We'll have our video here shortly. So let me actually do that because I'm gonna want to bring the other video back so that you guys can hear the difference, right? And this is practice. All right, we click on it. We did it in French. So as you can see, audio detected, source uploaded, highest resolution, dub range, start to end, target language, French, number of speakers, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna push play and see what we got.
Vous tous, nous devons parler de quelque chose qui me tracasse ces derniers temps. C'est à propos de notre pays, le bon vieux États-Unis d'Amérique, et des vibrations étranges que je ressens. On m'a toujours appris à prendre soin de chez moi d'abord, mais que faire si chez moi ne se sent plus aussi accueillant?
Now, the thing about that is it's dubbed, but of course we know when it comes to dubbing, it's not gonna add up with the lip movement. So that's something that you would have to expect. That's something that you would have to know. So it's just that one person, number of speakers, one person, and we'll play it one more time. Okay.
Vous tous, nous devons parler de quelque chose qui me tracasse ces derniers temps. C'est à propos de notre pays, le bon vieux États-Unis d'Amérique, et des vibrations étranges que je ressens. On m'a toujours appris à prendre soin de chez moi d'abord, mais que faire si chez moi ne se sent plus aussi accueillant?
And there you go. Just like that. So I can download that if I choose to. I'm not gonna download it. At least not right now, but you guys kind of get the drift. That's how easy it is to create a dub in 29 different languages, or just depending on the plan that you pick, right? So, like I say, you can upload, you can do YouTube, you can do anything from TikTok, you can do another URL, and then, wow, and there you go. So if you want to do it manually, they go to video file, CVS speaker start time, and end time with the transcript. Foreground audio speakers only, background audio optional with the music and everything right there. But if you just wanted to go quick upload, hey, drag and drop here, audio file or a video file, it will do that. If you wanted to detect on your own, you can say detect. Let's see if I it'll see range. I'll leave the range where it is, right? And we're gonna do one more. We'll do one more. That one was 15 seconds. Let's see something. Let me give me something just a tad bit longer. Um, let's be funny with this one. Let's see. I got some stuff in here. I don't want to do nothing too long, too crazy, too wild. Uh, let's go with. I know you guys see a lot in here. Let's go with the 24-second one, and we'll upload that. Okay. Another one, and it's gonna go from English, and let's let's see. Let's do some Bulgarian. I like that. I like Bulgarian. All right. So we're gonna go Bulgarian, and yeesh, this is gonna cost me a bit. It's gonna cost me a bit of duty. Um, so right there, let's see something. Does that change it? Doesn't matter. It's 1100. It's 1100 credits. You have more than enough credits to, like I say, project. We're gonna call this test two, and that's it. The credits, like I say, the credits are you have more than enough. I'll say that. There will be more than enough credits to go around. Like I say, I'm just going through this and showing you guys how to do this, and then I will show you some of the doper things to that you can do with this. This is dubbing, voice changer. So we'll put this one. We'll call this video the voice changer and the dubbing. The two easy things to do, right? Uh, all of it's easy if you ask me. I'm gonna just be honest with you. All of it is easy if you ask me, but you got to give it up to the the user interface. It is just so easy to do it. So this is test two. I call it test two. And number of speakers one, no watermark. We see how much I use, and this is 23 seconds. So 23 seconds is gonna cost you roughly 1100 and 81. So like I say, let's hit the play button and we're talking in Bulgarian.
Вижте, не съм тук за да ви кажа, че небето пада. Америка все още е дом и за много от нас това е единствения дом, който някога сме познавали или искали. Но да бъдеш подготвен и осведомен, това е просто умно живеене. Ако има нещо, което искам да запомните от това, не чакайте някой друг да ви предупреди. Бъдете проактивни, задавайте въпроси и ако нещо не ви се струва правилно, доверете се на интуицията си.
That ain't bad. That ain't bad, ladies and gentlemen. That ain't bad. I'm telling you right now, that ain't bad at all. I love the way that goes. I love the way that sounds. That ain't bad at all. And I'm telling you, that ain't bad. Okay. So that can help you increase your market. That can help you reach out to other people that just outside of your demographic. 11 Labs is allowing you to do that. With the dubbing, with the voice changer, is giving you options on how to do different things. So listen, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, do all that good old stuff. And then don't forget, if you're thinking about getting llElevenLabs, in the description, my link is right there at the top. Click on that. That'll help me continue to create and keep creating content for this channel and bringing you these hands-on how to do videos. Until next time, I'm your guy, Nerdy G, and I'm out.